In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mark a customer invoice paid in Odoo accounting software. If you are managing customer invoices in Odoo, it is important to keep your records accurate. Marking an invoice as paid helps your accounting stay up to date and makes it easier to track what has been settled and what still needs attention. To begin, open the Odoo application that contains your accounting tools. Go to the Accounting or Invoicing app. Depending on your Odoo setup, the wording can vary slightly, but you will be looking for the section where invoices and payments are managed. Once you enter the app, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main menu area, because that is where you will find the customer invoice records. Next, you will move to the Customer Invoices area. Click Customers, and then choose Invoices. This path helps Odoo filter directly to the invoices tied to customers, rather than other documents. When you land on the Invoices list, you should see a table or list of invoices, along with key details such as invoice number, customer name, and status. This screen is your starting point for selecting the specific invoice you want to update. Now open the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. Click the invoice record so it opens in its own window or detail page. At this stage, confirm that you have chosen the correct invoice. Look for the invoice number, the customer, and the invoice amount so you can be confident you are working on the right document. This matters because marking the wrong invoice as paid can create confusion in your reporting. After the invoice is open, you will find the option related to payment activity. Click Payment. This is where Odoo lets you record that money has been received and link that payment to the invoice. Depending on your Odoo version and configuration, the payment option might bring up a form or a dialog where you confirm the payment information. Before you finalize anything, you should confirm the payment details that Odoo displays. Review the fields carefully to make sure the payment information matches what you actually received. Check the payment amount and the payment date, or any related fields shown on the screen. If there are options for the payment method or the destination account, confirm they are correct as well. The goal is to ensure that the payment is accurately recorded and properly connected to the invoice. Once everything looks correct, click Create Payment. This action tells Odoo to generate the payment record and associate it with the invoice. After you create the payment, Odoo will update the invoice status based on that new payment entry. You can then go back to the invoice details to verify that it shows as paid, or it reflects the correct paid state according to your setup. That is the complete process: opening the Accounting or Invoicing app, navigating to Customers and Invoices, selecting the right customer invoice, using the payment option, confirming the payment details, and creating the payment so the invoice updates to a paid status. That covers everything you need to know.